step on your step. I ain't grooving. Watch me now. You know feel up chat. Sometimes you be shut your mouth. See a man will laugh with you. See a man will fuck you out. And this see a man where you tell your plan. See a man them plan become crush your out. I'm this dude and me take him for my brother. Think him try to win so me start calling him leather. Do a win plan how we are gonna make the cheddar. But before me start time the boy keep ready leather grooving. I know every laugh I laugh. I know every talk I talk. You better watch your step and your step. I hear me and turn every walk I walk over the top. That's that. I know so them say time short and things, so we don't waste the time now, so let's give it shot 3 same time. Check 1, 2. Go back. Here man, big up yourself, because you don't know how to chat things, you know. Rope is, I think I joke this. Here man, I ladies them represent. After you see me, I ladies them. Watch it now. The girl never come for the water. Some pull up her jump with the water. Bring it for this one and the daughter. She get wet already and she come back for water. The girl never come for the water. Some pull up her jump with the water. Bring it for this one and the daughter. She get wet already and she come back for water. She wet then she die then she wet again. Then she get already and she won't get again. From she get the water, she not stressed again. She not she get it with her best friend. He got trippy and in her belly. Plus he wash off her rock like jelly. The girl never recover for telly and I wonder if she actually over the top. The girl never come for me water. So me pull up her jump with the water. Bring it for her this one and the daughter. She get wet already and she come back for water. The girl never come for the water. So we pull up her jump with the water. Bring it for her this one and the daughter. She get wet already. Make up for herself, Ruby.
Give it up for Color Red, ladies and gentlemen. We're getting ready. We're getting ready. The band on stage, Black Soil Band. Yes. So we're getting ready for the first main act, ladies and gentlemen. Let me get some music now, please, from the band. Give me a little something now. Give me a one drop rhythm or something now, man. It promises to be very special from here on out, ladies and gentlemen. This is Grooving in the Park. Sweet sounds of Mr. Dean Fraser. Black Soil Band. If you got a flag, get it ready. The next artist on stage, ladies and gentlemen, he has a slew of hits. He has a slew of hits. He was born the son of Jimmy Riley, formerly of the Techniques, formerly of the Uniques, New York City. He has hits such as She's Royal, Are You Ready? He has hits such as One Drop, Give Me a Little One Drop, Are You Ready? That one was written by Elena. Good Girls Gone Bad. Where are the good girls? Show me the good girls. Show me the bad girls. He is indeed a very conscious Rasta youth. Love creates I. A big tune from the one and only. A future icon. Ladies and gentlemen, please let me welcome on stage inside Roy Wilkins Park. The one and only Cyrus Riley. Cyrus Riley.
somebody have it. I got this feeling inside bubbling over. Don't need no doctor, I should know I need my lover. Hey, can't resist it, there's no escape. Feelings start creeping up and coming away. Can't do a thing no matter what they say. What one New York City? Hey, roses being a red and violets blue. She loves me and she loves me not. That's what you do. Hey, can't get a grip. I know you're acting foolish. Look in the mirror and say, look like something. Well, love's contagious. Something. And the sweetest sickness feeling inside bubbling over. I know you get a feeling inside bubbling over. All right then, I will say something. I will say love's contagious. I don't need to be cured. When the man you fill up my prescription, be like a new brand. You're like my vitamin. You keep me coming. When you're my medicine, woman I need you so. I'll never let you go. And wherever that day, I couldn't do it. Grooving in the bar. Hey, watch out. You know I'm fishing a pharmacist. Oh, hey. But no one, no doctor, don't judge me, no. Fill me up because of your wisdom, baby. Fill me up, hey, oh, and I know it's real. Hey, the way I feel, something when love's contagious, but it's the sweetest sickness feeling inside of me. Try to get your feeling. What about your soul? Hey, something. I man say love's contagious. Something. When it's the sweetest sickness feeling inside of me. Hey, you get your feeling inside of me. All right then. Walk on. Well. A pleasant good afternoon, New York City. How you feeling? Say whoa. Say yeah. Say grooving. We grooving. Listen, one's never satisfied, no matter how hard she tries to make him feel. You know, she stays home alone, yeah. She cooks and she cleans. Roots from Kroger from Jamaica. What the Caribbean people in there? So I'm inside, yeah, just to show how much she's worth. And if I try, then I would burn to erase her. Never think, pretty girl over. Come on, the first show, so my ears. Sometimes it's kind, sometimes it's see. Everything in my head is on my heart. Hey, so want yeah, I got to know one day. Hey, want it, I got to know one day. So want it, I got to know one day. Hey, want it, we grooving, so. What the pretty girl up there? What the pretty people up there? Looking on. How are you going, yes, sir? I joke this.
Akashela.
Oh, no, I forgot to make some noise, you know. I'll let drummer freeze too. I joke this. Well, I know, cause tonight time. She winks a sleepless eye. I hear a voice. Take my window. She's a new sing size. Alright then, you better get me out there. right there in the nighttime. Whoa, the walls won't hold me tonight. Question, do you feel alright? And are you here to have a good time? Hush, well everybody sing along. And if they say, what? You say, tell them that it's human nature. Sure, why make you do me that way, yeah. They say, hey, but you say no. Tell them that it's human nature. Watch me, can sure, I love living this way. I love you all, we're family. Shit, and she likes the rain. Yeah. What is so bad to me? So they say, people, are you ready? Come and quit, do sing it, rock steady. Hush. Well, not because you live in New York and call yourself American. Make some nice if you represent the Caribbean. What part of the power? Not because you live in New York